everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ama, and if you're returning, thank you for tuning in once again. It's been a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial. My makeup has definitely gotten better. You know, practice does make perfect, and I've been doing a lot of practice on my face, and I'm feeling more confident with my technique and with how my looks are coming out. The Barbie movie just dropped, and I've been meaning to do a pink look or Barbie themed look, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna start with some skin prep. I'm just using my micellar cleansing water to just remove any dirt on my face. I've already cleansed my face, but I like to go in with this. It's been such a long time since I have done an eye look because I've had extensions, and there's all these rules with extensions. Don't put makeup on them, don't get makeup on them. Extensions look good with like a natural look, but with my makeup it just looks, something's off, you know? Now that my face is cleansed, I like to go in with my moisturizer, and I'm just using Gold Bond today. Also, I have never filmed a YouTube video this late. I always film either really early or between the hours of noon and 5, and it's like 8:30 p.m. Now that my face is moisturized, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I try not to get the primer on my eyebrows. For brows, I just like to comb out my brows like so, and I like to go in with either a brow soap, brow glue, whatever. I'll be using this brow soap from Brow Code, and then I just like to comb my brows upwards. If y'all want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And we're just gonna leave it to dry. Just leave it alone. Since we're gonna do an eye look today, I'm gonna zoom in. I personally like to do my eyes first before I do the rest of my face. I know a lot of other people who do the other way around, where they do the rest of their face and then do their eyes. I just like to do my eyes first. So that's what we're gonna do. I haven't done an eye look in so long, so I really hope that this turns out good. Now that my eyelids have been set with concealer and setting powder, we're gonna do the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna get some palettes that I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use this pink here for my crease. So I'm gonna go in with probably this pink right here. Put it in the middle. So my transition color is really close to my crease color. So I might just add a darker shade to my crease color to make it pop a little bit more. Just a little bit of concealer here. I use my fine brush to define it. My brows should be done now, so I'm just gonna fill that in before I proceed. The ideal scenario was to wait for my brows to dry and then do the eye look, but I wanted to multitask, or I wanted to be quicker with it. And now I'm suffering the consequences of my actions. I'm gonna go in with this shiny pink. For a little bit more darkness, I'm gonna put some purple, some dark purple. Dark purple. This one. Right here. We're gonna clean it with concealer, so not too concerned about it. This is what we have, and we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. I'm gonna do the rest of my face now, finally. For foundation, I'll be using the Lancome Teint Duo Ultra Wear. I am shade 515W. I love using this foundation brush. It just makes application so easy. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the top of my brow with some foundation. Just clean it off real nice. Now we're gonna start concealer. So I'm going in first with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. People conceal their face and contour their face in different ways. This is what I do. I like to leave the concealer under my eyes for longer because I heard that it makes it stay better. But I'm gonna blend the one here. I'm also gonna blend the one on my nose. And the one on the forehead. I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray. I'm using the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. And then I'm gonna blend. And then look up when you're blending the under eye. Now that it's blended, we're gonna go with a lighter concealer for the inner corner. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Barbie Rose. The first time I tried Juvia's Place, I treated it as if it was Rare Beauty, and I ended up looking like a clown. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do one dot. We're gonna blend it, and then we're gonna continue. Cause I'm a blush girly, I decided that, you know, I was gonna do a lot. You see what? Look, this is one dot, y'all. This is one dot. Like. Now we're gonna blend this inner corner. I don't want it to move too much. Kind of want it to sit right where I put it. Now I'm gonna go with my blush brush again and just kind of blend it all over. I'm gonna use my Say Beauty bronzer. Now for my favorite part, which is setting and baking. Put your look up and just pat it in. Then I just take this brush and I just like to brush it, kind of gets any excess powder off. I'm gonna go in with my powder blush. I'm gonna do a little baking. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder bronzer. Like, it really does bring everything together. Now for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the House Labs one. I love it. It's just chef's kiss. Look at that. I'm gonna take down my hair and show you what the final look looks like. So this is the final look with lashes and mascara. I am really happy with how this turned out. This is not the vision I had, but I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna zoom in so you can get a better view. Well, this is the end of my video. If you're going to see the Barbie movie and need some inspiration, you can follow this video and achieve a similar look and, you know, get some cute pictures for the gram or for memories, whatever you want. But if you like today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I'll be back with more videos.